Hello student, today I am going to explain you about the circuit, the definition of circuit, components of circuit and working of circuit. Okay, firstly I am talking about the definition of circuit. Circuit is a closed path in which the electric current or electronic current flows. Okay, if we talk about the electronic circuit, then we are going to deal with electronic components. If we talk about the electrical circuit, then we are going to deal with electrical components. We are going to deal with high voltage as compared to DC electronic circuit. Okay, so firstly I am going to explain you what is the circuit. Circuit is a closed path for flowing of electric current. The main components of circuits are, as you can see that we are having a 9-volt battery. We can change the voltage also. We are having the battery, we are having the cello battery. Okay, we are having a light bulb, we are having resistor, we are having a switch also, and we are having wire. Okay, so if we talk about the main components of a circuit, we have source, means battery or cell. We have load which consumes electrical energy. We are having light bulb here, and we have connecting wires to connect the source with load, and we have a switch for operating the circuit. Like if we want to turn on the light bulb, we have to press the switch, and for we have to complete the circuit for making the flow of current so that the bulb will glow. And if we want to switch off the bulb, then we have to disconnect it by using this switch. As you can see that it is in open circuited condition, and having the infinite resistance, and if I press this switch, the resistance of this switch or the circuit becomes zero and the current starts to flow. Okay, we are having the resistance also. We are having the resistor having the value 10 ohm resistance. The resistance is the property of the conductor or the property of the circuit which opposes the flow of electric current. The main purpose of using resistor is that we have to control the flow of electric, and we have to reduce the flow of electric current so that our load will not get diffused. Okay, now I am going to connect it. I am going to connect all the components. As you can see that for if we talk about the main component of electric circuit or electronic circuit, we must have a source, we must have load like this. Okay, we must have connecting wires to connect source with load. So I am going to connect it. Also we can use the switch for controlling the operation. Okay, I have connected the switch also, as you can see that like this. Okay, now you can see that I have connected all the necessary components like source, bulb, switch and connecting wires. Okay, so when I press this switch, you can see that the flowing of electric current occurs from positive end of the battery to the negative end of the battery, as you can see that, and the bulb starts to glow. Okay, so this is the example of circuit. The circuit is having source, the circuit is having load which consumes electrical energy, which consumes the current for glowing. Okay, we are having the switch for controlling the operation of circuit. Okay, now the purpose of adding the resistance, as you can see that, wait, I am using ammeter. Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current of the circuit. Okay, here you can see that the measured value of current is 0.90 ampere. Okay, now I am going to introduce this 10 ohm resistance, and let us see what happens to a circuit, what will be the amount of electric current. Okay, so I am going to connect this 10 ohm resistance. Okay, okay, I have completed the circuit. Now you can see that the value of current becomes half. Why is it? Because we have introduced 10 ohm resistance in series with this bulb. It is also having the 10 ohm resistance. Initially we have the resistance of the circuit is 10 ohm, and after adding this additional 10 ohm with series to this light bulb, we are having the total resistance 20 ohm. If a resistance become twice, then you can see that the current becomes half. Okay, we are also having voltmeter to measure the voltage of the circuit. Like this, we have to connect this ammeter in series to measure the current, and we have to connect this voltmeter in parallel to measure the value of voltage, as you can see that. Okay, now you can see that we are using the 9 volt battery, and the voltmeter is also showing that the value of the voltage of the battery or cell is 9 volt there. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of circuit, what is the circuit, and the components of the circuit, definition of circuit, and use of ammeter and voltmeter as well. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay.